This video is a must-watch if you aspire to exude style in 2024, as we are about to unveil the most popular men's fashion trends for this year. First up, we have the Starboy aesthetic, a sleek, modern, and edgy style that seamlessly blends elements of streetwear, high fashion, and retro vibes. Key elements of the Starboy aesthetic include dark colors like black, navy, dark green, and dark gray, often used to create a sense of mystery and intrigue. Accessories play a crucial role in the Starboy aesthetic, with minimalist rings, necklaces, sunglasses, and hats being popular choices. High-top sneakers or boots, particularly rugged black combat boots or high-top designer sneakers, are common footwear choices. Old money. The old money aesthetic represents a lifestyle and set of values characterized by timeless elegance. Key elements of the old money aesthetic include classic clothing items such as impeccable custom-made suits, sophisticated blazers, high-quality dress shirts, versatile polo shirts, classic dress pants, refined chinos, and appropriate footwear. The color palette typically includes timeless hues like navy, gray, white, and beige. The old money aesthetic works well in both warm and cold weather. In warmer weather, you might incorporate loose linen shirts, simple chino shorts and pants, and clean minimalistic sneakers. When the weather gets colder, layering becomes key with items like puffer vests and cashmere sweaters. Soft boy aesthetic. The soft boy style tailored for those who want to let their sensitive side shine. It's a vibe associated with music, photography, art, philosophy, a symphony of creativity. It's not just a fashion statement, it's an affordable lifestyle. To master the soft boy aesthetic, embrace the art of going baggy but with finesse. Opt for those looser-fitting pants, straight-leg jeans, pleated pants, or chinos because comfort meets style. Oversized vintage sweaters steal the spotlight, harmonizing effortlessly with chunky sneakers, the iconic soft boy footwear. Dark academia style. Dark academia is a fusion of classic academic dress with a moody twist. Imagine the Gothic elegance of the 19th century woven into the fabric of modern refinement. It's more than a style, it's an ode to history. Tailored wool, tweed, corduroy, and linen become the canvas for this aesthetic. Crisp collared shirts peek from under knit sweaters, vests, long coats, and dress shoes, the wardrobe of a modern scholar with a dark, mysterious allure. Street style. Street aesthetic gives a dynamic tapestry that evolves with the beats of the city. It's a canvas where vibes, culture, and individuality paint a living masterpiece. Influenced by countless factors, music, culture, and the urban environment, street style is a form of self-expression. This trend is a living, breathing entity mirroring the pulse of city life. It's not just clothes, it's an attitude. In the fashion universe, each aesthetic tells a unique story, allowing you to express different facets of your personality. Old money, soft boy, dark academia, and others, these are not just trends, they're gateways to self-discovery. So, whether you're strolling through the poetic landscapes or delving into the intellectual allure, remember, fashion is your canvas and you're the artist creating a masterpiece with every outfit. Before we end, I will leave you with a quote to ponder. Fashion is an instant language. Style is your unique dialect. And if you want to know more about stylish yet affordable clothes, check this video. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, stay stylish, stay true to yourself.